Hi, this is Jeff from Vita-Learn again. Quick Q&A feature here in the sessions room space for you who are presenting. Uh, Oftentimes you want to take questions from the audience, and the most common way in a lot of these systems is through the chat. As we all know, the chat can be challenging because as people are chatting, the questions that might have been asked just keep scrolling up and eventually out of view, and if you're trying to talk, you can't always keep track of them. So what you can do is to direct people to the Q&A tab, and they can ask a question here. So they can click the button, ask a question, and they can type in a question. They got 200 characters, what color is the sky? Ask that question, and you'll see it'll pop up here, and there's a couple options here. One of them is all of the participants will see these questions coming in, and they can all hit the thumbs up button if they want. That'll give you some indication as to that's a very popular question, or they had that question too, and so you may want to address that one sooner than later. You can also click the reply button here and actually respond via text. Of course, if you're the only one doing your session by yourself, that may not be so handy because it's going to be hard to talk and type at the same time. But if you have a partner in crime working with you, somebody could be answering some of those questions in a written form while you're continuing to present. But otherwise, at least you have a list of questions here on the side that you can follow along with and then answer them as you have time. The other thing is if someone does ask to come onto camera, they click the little button that says, request to come on camera. The moderation panel down here will pop up and you'll see their name pop up. And so you can always then accept them in or not. But I think many of you like to take questions via text, and this is probably the easier way using the Q&A tab rather than the chat. So know that the Q&A is there, direct your folks to it. You can see here, you can also sort by popular versus latest. So if you want to just always see it by popular, and so as people are clicking the thumbs up button, things are sorting around and moving to the top, you can try and answer them that way, or you can just simply sort them by latest, in which case the most recent question will be on the top and the oldest will be on the bottom. Hope that's helpful, and looking forward to having you all present at Dynamic Landscapes. See you soon. Bye-bye.